Let's shift our attention to Jammu and Kashmir, where an encounter is still underway in some regions. As per the latest inputs, 3 other soldiers have also been injured in the gunfight in the Kokernag forest area. Unfortunately, 2 soldiers have also been martyred after the encounter broke out between the security forces and the terrorists. My colleague Sohail is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Sohail, what is the situation on ground? Unfortunately, 2 soldiers have also been martyred. Is the encounter still underway? What are the updates?
Well, in fact, the operation is still underway, and in Indian Army, Jammu and Kashmir Police and CRPF is engaged in this operation. We are reporting from the same area where this operation is taking place, and you can see CRPF is basically maintaining the outer cordon of this whole area. 2 soldiers have been killed in action, 3 others are injured, while 2 civilians have also suffered blood injuries due to the indiscriminate fire and firing by the terrorists in the area. Now, this is the area of, in fact, is the high altitude mountain peaks where this operation is taking place. The Indian Army has said that the spot Gagar Daman, where this operation is taking place, is 10,000 feet above the sea level. The high altitude area where this operation is taking place, there is thick vegetation, and then at the moment it's heavily raining in the area. That has multiplied the challenge for the security forces. These terrorists, who are responsible for several incidents in Doda and Kashtwad area of Jammu province, have recently shifted to Kokernag forests. On 5th of this month, security forces from both electronic and human intelligence has found out that these terrorists had in fact shifted to Kokernag forest area. This is the same area where we had seen 11 months before, last year basically, an encounter had taken place in which a top Lashkar-e-Taiba commander and his colleague was killed. 4 army soldiers, including officers, were killed in that operation. So the operational challenge remained for the security forces, but on ground zero, security forces, Indian Army leading from the front, is conducting this operation, and every attempt is being made to eliminate those terrorists who are hiding or who are said to be hiding in this particular area. This operation is underway from yesterday. Today is the day 2nd of operation. Additional troops have been rushed to the area, and operation at the moment is underway.
Okay, so reinforcements have been rushed in to the area as well, but we are told that civilians were also part of the target of the terrorists. The army personnel reached there based on specific intel of the terrorist presence there, isn't it, Sohail?
Well, Indian Army has said it in a statement that 2 civilians have suffered injuries due to the indiscriminate firing by the terrorists. And then Army said that they are checking the background of these 2 civilians, whether they were linked to terror outfits or not. At the moment, those 2 civilians are also being, in fact, were evacuated, are availing treatment. The Army had, in fact, provided first and the basic treatment to these to 2 civilians at the spot, and later they were shifted to Army's base hospital in Srinagar. So this at the moment, Army has not said issued a statement that whether the 2 civilians who had suffered injuries in this particular encounter because of the terrorist gunfire were linked to terrorism or not, or were linked to terror outfits or not. But yes, Army said that they are checking the background of these 2 civilians, whether they were linked to terror groups or terror networks or not.
Okay, all right. Stay with us. We have more breaking inputs also coming in of exchange of